Imagine getting paid to make movie trailers without a camera, without actors, and without spending a single dollar. Sounds unreal? Let me show you how AI makes it not only possible, but insanely easy. Whether you're a beginner, a storyteller, or just someone looking to earn online, this method is free, beginner-friendly, and can start making you money from your bedroom.
In the coldest place on Earth, they found something that wasn't meant to be found. It's older than any known civilization. No records, no markers, just warnings. It doesn't hunt. It waits. They sealed it once, with fire and blood. And now, it's awake again. It's inside all of us now.
Welcome to the Current IQ, where AI tools can help you create Hollywood-style trailers in minutes. And the best part? You can turn these trailers into real income by offering them as services, uploading to YouTube, or using them to pitch concepts to studios and content creators. So let's break it down step by step. No fluff, no paid tools, just results. Step 1. Script the magic with ChatGPT. First things, open up ChatGPT, your personal screenwriter. Just type in your idea and ask, write a movie trailer script. Within seconds, you'll have a dramatic, punchy, Hollywood-style trailer script, ready to bring to life. Step 2. Turn words into visuals. Once we have the script, it's time to visualize it. Ask ChatGPT again. Break this script into scene-by-scene prompts to generate images. You'll get a list of AI-friendly prompts describing each shot like a director's storyboard. Step 3. Generate stunning images with Dreamania. Now, head over to Dreamania, a free AI image and video generator. US users get unlimited credits. If you're outside the US, no worries. Just use a VPN to access it. Paste your prompts, set the aspect ratio suitable for trailers, 21:9, and start generating images for each scene. Step 4. Animate your images. After your images are ready, use Dreamania again. But this time, ask it to turn the images into video clips. Yes, AI can literally animate your scenes. It might take a few minutes, but trust the process. Your trailer is coming to life. Step 5. Add sound that hits. Time to spice it up with sound effects and music. Go back to ChatGPT and ask, what sound effects match each scene in my movie trailer? Then head to Pixabay or Mixkit. Both offer free, high-quality sound effects and cinematic music. Download everything you need, from thunderstrikes to suspenseful booms. Step 6. Bring it all together in CapCut. Now the fun begins. Open CapCut, a free beginner-friendly video editor. Import your video clips, layer the sound effects, add transitions, background music, dramatic titles, and emotional timing. This is where your creativity takes over. Treat it like you're the editor of a blockbuster. Step 7. Export and share your masterpiece. When you're happy with the result, export your trailer. Congrats! You just made a movie trailer with AI, for free, from scratch, using nothing but your ideas and some amazing title trailer. You just created a cinematic trailer, without actors, without a studio, without money, just with your imagination and free AI tools. Hit that like button, subscribe for more AI creativity tips, comment your trailer idea below. I might feature it in the next video. This is the future of filmmaking, and it's in your hands.